Hi, my name is Michael. I'm with Lumens, but I'm here today at the Touchboard offices to tell you about our ePTZ lineup of cameras. We have our S-Serial digital cameras here. I've been telling you about our new USB cameras, but we're really excited about this new camera here. This is our VC-B10U. This camera is really unique because we now are using pan, tilt, and zoom control on the sensor. This has a 12 megapixel sensor that allows you to do your panning, tilting, and zooming on the sensor itself. Additionally, this camera has a USB connection on the back. That USB connection is 3.0, but it's backwards compatible to USB 2.0. This camera also has a 120-degree field of view, so you wouldn't believe how much information you're seeing on this camera with just a really small little footprint like this. As I mentioned before, with the VC-B10U, the camera comes with a mounting bracket. That bracket is perfect for mounting on the back of an LCD panel. That bracket is adjustable. We also have with the camera a software app that allows for control of the camera, allows you to activate the live preview of the camera, and that preview will also let you set the different resolutions that you may need. This camera's image quality is fantastic. We'd love for you to ask for a demo. You can do that by contacting touchboards.com or you can call us direct at Lumens.